So you're new to Pipedrive and automations, and you're just starting to get into automating Pipedrive. And one of the things that you'll be asked is to input your deal ID. And then you think, I wonder where that is. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your deal ID. And I'm also going to show you a neat little tool that I created to just validate that or find it for you if you don't find it super straightforward. Hi, my name is Wray. I'm an automations and SaaS software specialist. And I've been working with some of these automation tools like Make, Zapier, and I'm a Pipedrive partner, as well as dealing with things like Asana and other software as a service solutions. And automations can be really simple and really straightforward, but sometimes there are some details that you just can't find immediately. So automations can simplify your life and make things a lot quicker, easier, and repeatable. But sometimes you get asked things like, where is your deal ID? And as you've probably found, if you can't find it, things kind of break quite quickly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get hold of that. Now, if you're just like me and you want to make your life even easier, I just created this little tool on my website, link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. And basically you can input the URL from the deal and it will give you the deal ID. So a quick way of validating what you're seeing, albeit it's pretty simple and good for double checking. So here we are in Pipedrive, and here we have the deals page. And in order to find the deal ID, you'll want to click on any of the deals. And when it loads, you will find that the URL, not surprisingly, gives away the deal ID. So we can see here that for us, this particular deal is deal number 298. That is the deal ID. And what we can do, if we want, we can copy the entire URL and then we can put it in the small tool on my website and it will show as that particular deal number. So really simple, real nuisance if you don't know how to find this. So head over to my website, link below, if you want to take a look at the Deal ID tool that I created, really simple. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and all the bits and pieces below. If you'd like more of these tips on Pipedrive, automations, and other software tools, if you really want to, you can take advantage of my consulting services, where I can build larger scale automations for your business, particularly service businesses. And lastly, if you really enjoyed this video, there are more. Those will be displayed at the end screen. Please click through and enjoy. See you in the next video.